out there in reptile world. This is Mike from Alien Reptiles of Texas. Today we got an unboxing, first one in quite a while, and it's from Carpies, Corns, and Boas in Las Vegas. Now, this animal has a lot to do with why we call ourselves Alien Reptiles of Texas. It's a 2015 female Roswell boa, my total favorite boa in the world. Now, we were thinking about possibly, once we get her acclimated, and of course that she goes through her quarantine stage and whatnot, we've got a Roswell hypo het call that we were thinking about putting with her. We also have a Roswell Gandolfo het VPI we were thinking about putting with her. One way or the other, she's gonna get some more Roswell love because, man, I like these animals. Let's see. Now, you can tell the box was already open. I did that a couple hours ago. I'm a firm believer in letting them acclimate a little while before you jerk them out of their box they've been stuck in for the past 24 hours, because, I don't know, I'd like it. Why won't they? There she is. Hey, Big Mama, how are you? And actually, I think that's what we decided to name her, was Big Mama. Even though I've got quite a few Big Mamas around here, she could definitely be a Big Mama. What we got in there? Hey. Hey. Where's your face? Come here, girly. There we go. Oh, look at this big girl. How beautiful. Now, of course, she's wanting to get the heck away from me and warm up a little bit. But how beautiful. Yeah, exactly what we were looking for. That beautiful Roswell tail. Man, she's gonna be perfect. We have Alien Reptiles of Texas t-shirts ready to go. They're 25 shipped, or 20 if you're around here local and would like to support the reptile world. I am gonna go get her in a warm box so she'll be a little bit happier today. All right, cool.